Hello students, this question is from test series 1, subject analog, from the chapter diode circuit analysis and application. The given question is of 2 marks question. The question says that in a figure shown, the diode has a cut-in voltage, that is VR is equal to 0 volts. Then we need to find out the characteristics for the given circuit. This is the given circuit. It is having 2 diodes, that is D1 and D2. D1 is connected with 8 volts and D2 is connected with 6 volts and with a resistance of R and with one voltage source. Next, coming to the solution. First we learn the basic concept of diode operation. If the current flow is permitted, then the diode will be the forward bias. If the current flow is prohibited, then the diode will be reverse bias. Applying this concept to the given circuit. If D1 is forward bias for Vi is greater than 8 volts, for the positive half cycle D2 will not conduct. If D2 is forward bias for Vi is less than 6 volts, it means negative half cycle diode, the D1 will not conduct. When D1 is forward bias and D2 is reverse bias, then D2 will be the open circuited. Therefore, the D1 circuit in that the voltage will follow through in this diode. Therefore, we'll get it as V0 is equal to 8 volts. When coming to the second condition, when D2 is forward bias and D1 is reverse bias, means D1 will be the open circuit. Therefore, we'll get V0 as minus 6 volts, that is negative half cycle. Therefore, the input value is lies between minus 6 volts to 8 volts. For this condition, D1 and D2 both are reverse bias. For this two condition, the circuit will be the both D1 and D2. Both diodes are open circuited. Therefore, V0 is equal to Vi. Hence, we will draw the characteristics as Vi versus V0. For positive cycle, it will come up to plus 85 volts. For negative cycle, minus 6 volts. These transfer characteristics will satisfy the condition option D. Hence, this is the answer. From this question, we learned basic operation of diode when both diodes are given D1 and D2, when the diode will be forward bias and when the diode will be the reverse bias, and we find out the characteristics for the given circuit. Thank you.